Monday Minute at Automation Direct. Automation Direct offers the XGB PLC family from LSElectric. This series has a wide variety of high-end features for a price that seems too good to be true. The XGB allows up to 6 onboard motion axes capable of high-end step and direction motion functions, such as point-to-point interpolation in a variety of profiles. This PLC series also includes Modbus TCP and Ethernet IP communication, a variety of expansion modules, and IEC 61131 programming. It allows you to program in structured text, ladder diagram, instruction list, or sequential function chart. Whether you're in manufacturing, process control, or any other industry, the LSElectric XGB PLC family from Automation Direct is the ultimate solution for seamless, efficient, and future-ready automation. To see more information on the XGB family, click here. To see more Monday Minute videos, click here. To subscribe to our YouTube channel, click here.